So my name's Ayo and I'm a chartered civil engineer working in flood and coastal risk management. Join me on my morning walk as I show you the engineering that is all around us. Looking all around me, it's quite clear that humans have had to learn to live with water and to make it work for us, to be able to navigate, to be able to get clean water, to be able to protect ourselves from flooding and protect our homes and communities. And this is what civil engineers do, at least a civil engineer who works in water resources and flood and coastal risk management. So here we are at the lock, and the lock's really essential. See, locks have been a really important part of infrastructure because they allowed us to be able to navigate different water levels, but also they'd be really important historically for trade. It would have been a really key indicator for a community developing, because then they could bring huge amounts of material so they could build their infrastructure, their communities, and that is what engineers do. But there's a really long process in engineering, and there are different roles and different parts that maybe suit you. So the job of the lock is to allow the canal boat to basically migrate from a lower water level to a high water level, and also the inverse. This is a bit of civil engineering, and it involves lots of different skill sets. Engineering projects often start by a need being identified. Here, it would have been the need to be able to navigate and to get ourselves travelling. And canals have been part of our civil engineering infrastructure for a very long time because they're so essential, because they meet a need, and this is the crux of an engineering project. And what's also really important to note, it isn't just creating the initial asset that makes up the world of civil engineering, it's also maintaining the asset. And asset management is a huge part of engineering too. How do we make our assets work safely into the future? Engineering is all around us. From the bridge that allows the cars to cross this body of water, from the culvert that allows water to pass under, even designing and building our busy infrastructure is civil engineering. So I challenge you, go on a walk and marvel at nature, but also identify all the civil engineering that's all around you.